Good morning. It's just 5:30, and I wanted to show you how beautiful the soil is. From last night's rain, it is nice and moist and it's fully drenched. So that's a plus for me because I am not going to be watering today, other than there's about 23 to almost 30 patches. So I'm going to start with cleaning the patches today. My goal is to at least clean 3 minimum patches today. You see exactly just there, all of those are weeds that I would really love to start working on. These are weeds here. So I'm going to put the challenge at least cleaning 3 beds for today. And yeah, I just love how the rain really sorted me out today. So that's a plus. We are very, very grateful for the rain. This is truly, truly awesome. And the other thing is the rain also helped me out a lot here. As you can see, the compost is also nicely drenched. Well, I'm going to clear the big parts here and put them aside to be compost again. But then if you dig in here, you will find that there is nice compost underneath. There is beautiful, nice compost. Look at that. Well, look at that. It's amazing. So we are going to see how far we get. Chances are this is something that I'm going to start doing tomorrow. Just move parts like this that are not yet composted and put them on the side so that I can dig underneath and get out the compost. Chances are for today I will moisten the parts underneath, because like as you can see, I don't know if you saw here, as I'm digging, there is still some dry compost. It's still dry. You see, stuff like this would need to go back to the compost. However, there's just a lot that we are going to moisten and we'll be using in the patches. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So altogether I have about 26 patches that I need to work through. Like this one here, it's the one that previously had corn, right? And it's, let me just find a nice spot, and it is quite lengthy. As you can see, it takes up the space for this one and the following one. So if maybe I can segment it into 3 and put 3 different plants in here, I'll be happy. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to use the bricks to just, the whole idea around segmenting, you see, like I did so here. The whole idea around segmenting is it works much better for me because it allows me to work on one plant at a time, right? So if I know that today I'm just concentrating on the Bigfoot spinach, then I know that this is the patch that I'll be working on. If I'm only concentrating on lettuce, that would be the only patch. So the segmenting of these patches really goes a long way in helping me to segment the plants. That's 1. And 2, because the plants are segmented, I am actually able to see the progress of the particular plant at a time. So that's what I would be up to today, cleaning at least 3 patches. If you can see, this patch doesn't have a lot of cleaning to do in it, so that's quite amazing. this one as well. You see, I just need to clear those weeds and just cultivate the patch, and we should be good. We should be good. Today marks day 4 of the 30 days consistency challenge, and I am so thankful, mostly to God, for actually bestowing me with the strength to keep going. I really am grateful and thankful. And while we are at it, I actually thought about what is it that I wanted to speak on today, and I just realized that maybe I can touch a little bit on dreams. Not the dreams that we have when we are asleep, but then the waking dreams that we all have, things that we want to achieve, our goals and aspirations. Tending to my garden is a daily practice for me. If I skip a day, the plants might survive. But if I neglect it for too long, weeds will take over. Hence, that's why I actually decided it would be very nice for me to pair this theme around tending to our dreams with starting the clearing of the weeds in the garden. And the thing about weeds is that if we really don't take guard of them, they might, like I said, overtake the garden and the plants will start to wither. And this reminds me of how important it is to tend to our dreams and goals regularly. We all have things we want to achieve, but those dreams require our attention, care, and consistent effort to become a reality. It's easy to get caught up in the busyness of life and neglect the things that matter most to us. But just like a garden can't thrive on neglect, our dreams won't come to fruition if we don't nurture them. Whether it's a creative project that you are embarking on, a business idea, or personal development, we have to show up for our dreams every day. Even small actions, when done consistently, will keep the dream alive and growing. Take a moment to reflect on your dreams. Are you tending to them with care and attention they deserve? And if not, start today. Water your dreams with love, dedication, attention, and patience. The more you nurture them, the closer they will come to blooming into something extraordinary. Tend to your dreams. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it, and I hope you also find it somewhere in your spirit to look for something that you can cultivate consistency with in your life. Until next time, thank you.